Here is my newly sprouted Wexguard seeds. In this video I will show you the step-by-step process that how to grow Wexguard seed. Here I will show you day-to-day update of my Ashguard seed germination up to 10th days, when the seedlings are prepared for planting. So let's see from day 1 when I started to germinate my seeds. That's the footage of day 1. In this time I want to unpack this Wexguard seed packet. For this task, just cut down the packet and take some seeds. I already take it. Now the next task is to wet it for at least 10 hours. To wet these seeds, I want to use this plastic cup and place my seed on it. Then add some water and wait for 10 to 12 hours. After 12 hours, I will set up all of my seeds in growing medium and grow them very quickly. So let's see the next day footage. In this footage, I want to set up all of my seeds in this paper towel. For this process you can use any kind of paper towel, tissue paper or any kind of cloth also. Just set up all the seed on it and fold it, then add some water. This process is 50% same as paper towel method, but there is some more science between paper towel method and this process. In this process I don't use any packaging way like polybag. On other hand, I want to use a small plastic pot. Set the paper towel on the cover of this pot and add some water, then fully airproof the whole setup. The science between this task is to maintain the humidity and moisture level, because humidity and proper moisture is a big factor for seed germination. This intake air is able to sprout the seeds very quickly. So let's see the next footage. Now let's see the result after 3 days. You can see almost all the seeds are germinated and the seedlings are start to growing, and here is a huge number of roots on all the plants. Now the next task is to set up them on the growing bed or on the growing pot. For this task I want to use some one-time disposable plastic cups, and I fulfill these cups by mixing 90% of coco peat and 10% of organic compost. You can also do these things by using cow dung or any other compost like vermicompost or any other homemade compost. You can use any one of them. So just keep the germinated seeds on this coco peat. Take one by one and be ensure that your plant roots are not get harmed. I set 2 seedlings on every single cup. Be ensured that the upper side area of your seedlings must be in air. Try to plant them as I do. Sometimes people face some problem about fungal disease on new seedlings. For this problem, you can use aloe vera gel or baking soda or wood ash, because all of them are good quality. All of them are good natural fungicide. You can use any one of them to protect your plant from unusual fungal attack. Okay, the task is done. Now the next footage you will see the growth of my seedlings in just 10 days. Here's the seedlings, all are prepared for planting, and you can see the growth of these seedlings. All of their leaves are very deep green color, and in this time you can plant them on your garden. So thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more information about wax guard plantation and their care, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly. Thanks for watching.